Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Heather, and today we'll be exploring some cool sliding door ideas for your bedroom. Let's dive into these innovative designs and see how they can add both style and functionality to your space. I absolutely love these sleek black sliding barn doors. They add a bold modern touch to the room while maintaining a rustic charm. The X pattern on the doors creates visual interest and depth, making them a focal point. Functionally, sliding doors are a great space saver, especially in smaller rooms where swing doors would be impractical. They provide easy access to the bathroom and closet without taking up additional floor space. If I were to make any changes, I might consider adding soft close mechanisms to prevent any accidental slamming. Additionally, incorporating a subtle matte finish could enhance the overall look, giving it a more refined and polished appearance. This bedroom exudes a cozy and inviting atmosphere. I particularly appreciate the combination of the dark sliding barn door and the light-colored walls and furniture. The contrast creates a striking balance, making the room feel both modern and warm. The large woven wall decor above the dresser adds a touch of natural texture, tying in beautifully with the rattan lampshade. The black pillows on the bed complement the door, creating a cohesive look. To improve this space, I would add a bit more greenery or a few more decorative items on the dresser for a touch of life and personality. I adore the airy and serene vibe of this bedroom. The white shiplap walls paired with the light wood flooring create a clean and inviting space. The sliding barn doors leading to the bathroom are not only practical, but also add a touch of farmhouse charm. The layered bedding with neutral tones and various textures adds warmth and coziness to the room. I love the black sconces flanking the bed, providing both functional lighting and a modern touch. To enhance this space, I might incorporate a bit more color through throw pillows or a decorative blanket to add a pop of personality and vibrancy. This room is a perfect example of minimalistic elegance. I appreciate the simplicity of the white sliding barn door against the soft gray walls. It creates a clean and sophisticated look. The chandelier adds a touch of glamour, making the room feel more luxurious. The light wood flooring ties everything together, providing warmth and a natural element. However, the space feels a bit bare. I would add a cozy area rug and some artwork or decorative pieces on the walls to bring in more character and make the room feel complete. A few plants would also add a touch of greenery and life to the space. I'm really impressed by the boldness of these black sliding doors with gold hardware. The contrast between the dark doors and the gleaming gold accents is striking, creating a luxurious and sophisticated look. The clean lines and panel design of the doors add a modern touch, making them a statement piece in any room. I appreciate how the gold track and handles enhance the overall elegance. If I were to make any changes, I might consider adding a subtle texture or pattern to the doors to give them more depth. Additionally, incorporating some complementary gold accents in the surrounding decor could tie the look together beautifully. I'm in love with the elegance of these white sliding doors. The intricate panel detailing adds a touch of classic charm, making them stand out beautifully. Paired with the gold hardware, the doors exude a sense of luxury and sophistication. The gold track and handles complement the chandelier perfectly, creating a cohesive and stylish look. The light wood flooring and neutral rug balance the space, making it feel airy and inviting. If I were to enhance this space further, I might add a few more decorative elements, such as framed artwork or a statement piece of furniture, to bring additional warmth and personality to the room. I really appreciate the simplicity and warmth of this bedroom. The natural wood sliding door adds a rustic charm that contrasts nicely with the crisp white walls and bedding. I love how the neutral tones create a calming and serene environment. The upholstered headboard with nail head trim adds a touch of elegance, while the dark nightstand provides a grounding element. The mix of textures, from the cozy throw blanket to the wooden elements, enhances the room's depth. To improve this space, I might add a few more decorative pieces, such as a couple of framed artworks or a larger lamp to bring a bit more character and balance to the room. I'm absolutely captivated by this bold black sliding door. The geometric pattern adds a modern and dynamic touch, making it a standout feature in the room. The sleek handle and black hardware enhance the door's contemporary vibe. I love how the door contrasts with the white walls, creating a striking visual impact. The plants on either side add a refreshing pop of greenery, while the framed quote injects a bit of personality and charm. The overall design is cohesive and stylish. To enhance this space even further, I might add a textured rug or some colorful throw pillows on the bed to bring in additional warmth and texture. I love the charming rustic vibe of this bedroom. The natural wood sliding door adds warmth and character, perfectly complementing the farmhouse style. The patterned quilt and pillows give the bed a cozy, inviting feel, while the mix of textures and patterns adds depth and interest. The view into the bathroom reveals stylish patterned floor tiles and a chandelier, adding a touch of elegance to the rustic design. The black hardware on the door ties in nicely with the iron bed frame, creating a cohesive look. To enhance this space, I might add a few more decorative pillows or a soft throw blanket to increase the comfort and coziness even further. This bedroom is stunning with its elegant blend of modern and classic elements. The white sliding doors with intricate panel details add a touch of sophistication and pair beautifully with the light wood canopy bed. I love the contrast between the dark ceiling and light walls, creating a dramatic yet balanced look. The chandelier adds a glamorous touch, while the cozy textures of the bedding and area rug make the space inviting and comfortable. The phrase, "embrace the happy," above the bed injects a bit of personal charm. To further enhance this room, I might add a few pops of color with decorative pillows or artwork to bring a bit more vibrancy to the serene palette. I adore the cozy and sophisticated ambiance of this bedroom. The black canopy bed is a stunning centerpiece, creating a modern yet inviting feel. The warm wood tones of the sliding doors and dresser add a rustic charm that complements the soft, neutral palette of the bedding. I love the touch of the plaid throw blanket, which adds a bit of color and texture. The chandelier is a beautiful statement piece, adding a touch of elegance and warmth to the room. To enhance this space further, I might add some additional lighting on the nightstands for a more layered and functional lighting scheme. A few decorative accents on the dresser could also add more personality and character. I'm enchanted by the serene and inviting atmosphere of this bedroom. The natural wood sliding doors are a beautiful touch, seamlessly connecting the bedroom to the bathroom while maintaining a cohesive rustic aesthetic. I love the combination of soft, neutral tones in the bedding and the textured throw pillows, which add warmth and comfort. The botanical artwork above the bed brings a touch of nature indoors, complementing the natural wood elements. The woven bench at the foot of the bed adds texture and functionality. To improve this space, I might incorporate a few more decorative accessories, such as a cozy throw blanket or some fresh flowers, to add a bit more color and personality. I'm really drawn to the sophisticated design of this bedroom. The rich wood sliding doors add a touch of elegance and seamlessly lead into the bright and airy bathroom. The paneled accent wall behind the bed adds depth and interest, making the space feel more structured and polished. I love the neutral color palette, which is calming and inviting, enhanced by the pops of blue in the throw pillows. The patterned rug adds a subtle touch of color and texture, grounding the space beautifully. To elevate this room even further, I might add some artwork above the nightstands and incorporate a cozy throw blanket on the bed for added warmth and comfort. I love the minimalist and modern design of this bedroom. The light wood sliding door adds a touch of warmth and elegance, contrasting beautifully with the black canopy bed frame. The large windows allow plenty of natural light to flood the room, creating a bright and airy atmosphere. The patterned rug adds a subtle touch of texture and anchors the space. I appreciate the simplicity of the decor, which makes the room feel spacious and uncluttered. The greenery in the corner adds a fresh and natural element, bringing life to the space. To enhance this room, I might add a few more personal touches, such as framed photos or a cozy throw blanket, to make it feel even more inviting. I'm really impressed by the functionality and style of this sliding door. The large mirror integrated into the door is a brilliant design choice, making the room feel more spacious and providing a practical feature. The white paneling adds a touch of farmhouse charm, which contrasts nicely with the modern hardware. I love how the light filters in through the window, enhancing the bright and airy feel of the space. The cozy rug and simple decor create a welcoming atmosphere. If I were to improve this area, I might add a few decorative accents, like a piece of wall art or a colorful throw pillow on the bench, to add a bit more personality and warmth. Thanks for joining me on this tour of cool sliding door ideas for your bedroom. I hope you found some inspiration for your own space. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home design tips and ideas. See you in the next video.